go, Matty, grab it. What a beautiful little fish.
Right, that'll do it.
Go.
Yes, Samantha. Got a world record carp there. Go on. Yes. Oh, they just got it there.
I can't film both.
Yeah, just chuck it. Get the net.
Yeah. That's it.
No.
I've got it, you're right.
It'd been fine if you brought the smaller bloody net. If you'd have brought the smaller net. Oh.
There's a place to look at it. Get Still haven't given up that fight, has he? Still got a fight in him. Whoa! There you have it. Whoa! Get off. Let's get him back.
Before it slaps you in the face.
Before he slaps me in the face.
It's usually me.
Before he jumps in this bush here.
Oh, the alarms keep going off. It's pissing me off, man.
Just there. Capture the release, you might as well. It's going to be 10 out of 10 release here. 10.10.
How do you feel to be drawing me?
Huh?
How do you feel to have caught back up?
Feel great. Feel like a winner. Winner, chicken dinner.
Suppose you are, 'cause you've got the biggest one. Loser.
We're in, baby. Finally. Just cast this out as well.
Oh, I know.
That's all.
What's she doing?
From the grab camera,
And do what?
still get the footage, you know. That could be great. Edit stuff.
Nice bottom.
Hey?
Just filmed your butt.
Don't film as well. You
I
actually
did.
clicked it.
Yeah.
Little nipper. It's making weird noises. Alright. It's got a weird mouth. Right, let's play back. No! No way. Right at the last second. There you have it. Dang!
I was just contemplating whether to change my mesh one as well.
Mesh one to what?
Well, redo it.
Oh, right, yeah. Well, I was just about to throw next back. So now CDA mesh bag. Don't you drop my lid off because I need that. Jeez. This is where it comes out. Like fishy's mouth. Which is the most hot section. Right. Go on, that's it. Thank you, my darling.
It's quite hard when you're small to have such a big net.
Hey.
So it's quite hard when you're small to have such a big net. And film.
I'd like to film you doing it, but you know.
You know, he keeps doing all the fish.
Oh.
One's just jumped up, popped up in front of mine.
Oh, you stinker. Have a little tiddler.
Back to net duties rather than catching duties. Fucking sick of this net duties.
Right?
Hmm.
Ah, cool. Ah, what's he doing? Misery. Yeah, misery around here. I'm yourself. Boom. Calm down, sir, calm down. Where is this little beauty? It's not doing much down there, is it?
Literally tiny.
Little baby. Where is it? Oh no.
Whoa, Matty, grab it. Matty, grab it. Whoa.
Yeah, get the camera.
No, I'm not holding it.
Just put it back.
Yeah.
Comedy gold.
Don't even dare share this shit.
Oh! Sam! Real mine. Can you believe it? I don't know whether you captured this, but what the hell is this? Just reeled me rod into pack up and I got this on end of it. Wow! Insane. Insane. What the hell? I don't know how long this has been sat on it for. Oh.